Hi, this is Lady Nefertiti BK, and I thought I would come on here right quick and show two different things that I got. One was from my daughter, one was from my mother, okay? So I'm going to show what I got from my daughter first. It's this hair right here, and I put product on it to give it a wet look. Turn around so you can see. Okay. Now, it's called Chantiche, I believe, Hair for Care. And what it says on the box and what it says on the card that was on the wig is two totally different things. So I'm going to read what's on the card and what's on the box. But anyway, let me go into detail of it. The wig came in this bag here. Okay. It had the netting on it. It came with a deluxe wig cap. Alright. And it had this card on it. And the card says that the length is 8 inches. I can tell you it's much longer than 8 inches. It says the color is 1B. It's actually natural. It says the density is 150. I know nothing about densities, but it's nice and full. As you can see, it's very full. Okay. So, what it says on the box, it says, I'm going to show you right here what it says before I read it. Okay. It says, curly lace front wig, and it says, natural color, 8 inches. Okay, so it's natural, not 1B. I like the color though. When I'm not coloring my hair, this is the natural color of my hair, so it just reminds me of my own hair. And I just love the curls. It's beautiful. Now what I use to get this wet look on it is my water. This is just water in here. And I used my Lotta Body Wrap Me Foamy Mousse. I have both. I have the setting lotion, which is very good, makes the hair very shiny. And this Wrap Me Foamy Mousse also makes the hair very shiny. That's how I got the shine in this hair, is from this. So I use that. This can be found anywhere pretty much. Walmart, Target, I think CVS, I think Walgreens, and all beauty supply stores has this. Okay. So that's what I wanted to show you here. Same color as my own hair. It's amazing. The other thing I got was from my mother. My mother makes jewelry, and she made this bracelet here. I'm going to put it on as well. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all those stones on there. I'm going to put it on. Okay. Oops, that's overlapping. So you can see how that looks. Isn't that pretty? And then she sent me, this was a part of it too. It's made of wood. Not sure what type of wood. Okay, that's how that looks there. And this one has the Eiffel Tower on it. Paris. This is made of leather. And so you have the Eiffel Tower. You can see the work, the detail. Okay, I would have to tie that one on. Oh, maybe I don't. Oh, no, it came loose. Okay. Well, anyway, I would have to tie it on, but I'm just going to do it like, oh, wait a minute. Maybe I should do it like that. So it'll look like it's up. Okay, so that's how that looks. And so my mother, she makes all kinds of jewelry. She's always been very, very good with that. Okay, so I just wanted to come on right quick and show you guys that. And again, to get this wet look on this wavy hair, because without this, it just looks like, it just looks like natural, just natural hair, more like a, I guess if you were to look at other hair types, I guess more like a 3B, natural, puffy like, but when I put the Lotta Body on it, I got this look right here. Okay, and again, this is the one because there's different types of Lotta Body. And water, that's it. Alright, well that's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys today. You guys have a wonderful, blessed day. Be kind to someone else today. And just be upbeat, because when you're upbeat, everybody's upbeat. And you affect a whole area. Okay? So you guys take care. Bye-bye.